Welcome to Eye Advice, an initiative to spread awareness on digital eye strain leading cause of dry eye disease. Today we have with us Dr. Arum Sampathi, Pediatric Ophthalmology and Medical Director of Sampathi Eye Hospital and Squint Center, Bangalore, is here to share tips on preventing digital eye strain in your daily life. Stay with us. What is digital eye strain and how does it affect our vision?
Hello, I am Dr. Arum Sampathi. I am a pediatric ophthalmologist. I am the medical director of Sampathi Eye Hospital and Squint Center in Kumara Park in Bangalore. Yeah, basically digital eye strain, or we also call it as a computer vision syndrome. It's basically a group of symptoms which happens because of the prolonged use of a computer or mobiles or tablets, which everybody are used to it nowadays.
What are the most common symptoms of digital eye strain that people should be aware of?
Most common symptoms associated with digital eye strain is one is the eye strain or eye fatigue. Second thing is some people have blurred vision. They have dryness in the eyes. This can also lead to headaches and pain in the neck and the shoulder also. So the most common is the eye strain. And some people have dryness and itching in the eyes and burning sensation also on prolonged use of digital devices.
How does prolonged use of digital devices impact eye health?
Prolonged use of digital devices, basically what happens is the blink rate reduces. Whenever we look at a digital device, especially the computer or the mobile, our eye will keep concentrating on the device and it will forget to blink. So normally the blinking is essential for the tear film to spread along the surface of the eye and keep it moist. So what happens whenever the blinking is not happening, the eye becomes dry, and that leads to most of the symptoms. And second thing is whenever we look at something close by, our eye muscle has to contract and focus on the object. So whenever we focus on the object for long hours, say 3 hours, 4 hours, or some people even go up to 15 to 16 hours in a day. So whenever a muscle is put into stress for such a long, prolonged period of time, definitely it develops a fatigue. To give a simple analogy, I can tell you, like suppose if I ask you to keep typing from morning till evening for 12 hours in a day, your hands will start paining, your hand muscles will get fatigued. So similarly, the eye muscles also, when you constantly focus on a single distance for prolonged periods of time, the eye muscles will go into fatigue and that causes these symptoms.
Can you explain the 20-20-20 rule and how it helps in reducing eye strain?
Yeah, 20-20-20 is a wonderful concept. So basically what it means is like every 20 minutes once, you take your eyes off the screen and look at something 20 feet or beyond. Either you can look through a window or if you don't have a window, you just in your same room where you're sitting, look at some object which is 20 feet or away for 20 seconds. So every 20 minutes at 20 feet or beyond for 20 seconds. So basically what happens, this will relax the eye muscles. So just now I told you the eye fatigue is because of the constant contraction of the muscles. There is a muscle called the ciliary muscle. And basically when you look at something far away, the muscle will relax. Whenever you look at something close by, like the mobile or the computer, your eye muscle has to contract and focus onto that screen. So basically by doing this 20-20 rule, you are relaxing the eye muscles. So thereby the muscle fatigue is reduced.
How can parents ensure their children are using digital devices in safe and healthy manner?
This is a most important thing because especially after COVID, all the children are hooked onto devices, especially the smaller devices. The smaller the device, more is the stress on the eyes because eye muscle has to really focus and put effort to see things comfortably. So children's eyes are more sensitive than the adult eyes. So they have to be even more careful. So my personal suggestion is entertainment related screen time should be as minimal as possible, not more than 30 minutes in a day. Bigger the screen, better it is. So instead of showing things on the mobile, I would suggest that a child sees the same thing on the television. So television, which is at least 10 feet away, causes less strain compared to a mobile or an iPad or even a laptop. So bigger the screen, the better it is for the child. So child can, instead of seeing on the mobile, the tab is slightly better than the mobile. Compared to that, the desktop is little better, and actually the best device now for the child is the television. So even that excessive use of screen is not advisable for the child. And second thing is exposure to outside environment is very, very important for the normal health of the eye and the growth of the eye. Every child should spend at least 1 hour in outdoors in the sunlight. Either the child can be playing or do anything, but child should be exposed to sunlight for at least 1 hour in a day, and this will help a long way in preventing the progression of the power. See, nowadays we are seeing a lot of children having short sight, the high myopias. So this progression of the power is related to excessive near work. So definitely reducing the screen time and encouraging the child to play outdoors at least 1 hour in a day will definitely go a long way in preventing the eye fatigue and maintaining the health of the eye for a child.
Thanks for listening to Eye Advice. A big thanks to you, Doctor, for the great tips on preventing digital eye strain in your daily life. Stay with us.
Issued in public interest by Alembic CSR Foundation. Views expressed are independent opinions of the doctor. Please consult your doctor before starting any medication or treatment. Alembic CSR Foundation disclaims any or all liabilities and claims.